Time now for Edidi Ongunwan to tell us what went down at the domestic equities market yesterday. Good morning, Eddie. So the investors are still smiling at the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Tell us more about yesterday's activities.
Good morning, BC. The bull run continued at the market yesterday, although we saw the index rise marginally by 0.07% to 25,221.29 points, while the equity cap added 8 billion naira to 13.144 trillion naira. The total volume of trades increased by 124.1% to 508.60 million units, valued at 5.59 billion naira, and all of that was traded in 7,759 deals. Now, FBN Holdings was the most traded stock by volume at 120.86 million units. If we move to the sectoral chart now, we see that the banking index took the heaviest, that gained the most by 5.36%, and that was largely due to gains on tier 1 lenders and other stocks on that counter. The consumer goods rose by 3.09%. thanks to Nigerian breweries, Dangote Sugar, Cadbury, and Guinness. And while on the flip side, industrial goods lost by 1.98%. But let's talk to Mr. Tajuddin. He's a stockbroker at Valmont Securities. Good morning, Mr. Tajuddin. Thank you for joining us on the program.
Yeah, good morning.
Can you tell us what was responsible for the decline on the industrial goods counter? Although we saw gains from Dangote Cement, Lafarge, and Qtix, but that sector declined by 1.98%. Can you tell us what was responsible for that?
I think the question, but you see what was responsible for?
Yeah, what was responsible for the declines on industrial goods sector? Decline? Yes.
Well, you can see clearly that there has been reduced interest in the banking stocks and more liquid stocks in the markets. What is happening is that the other stocks from profits, but the liquid stocks are stocks that investors are taking because of their low prices. Because the prices are not reaching where they probably before the lockdown. So there's so much interest in the other than so those people are associated with this stock like whatever you see, so they want it's not temporary, there's no impact on that stock.
Thank you, Mr. Tajuddin. We'll have to leave it there for today, but thank you for your input on the program. Tajuddin Olayinka is a stockbroker at Valmont Securities. Now we'll move over to the fixed income market, where the bond market, we saw just 23 deals there yesterday worth 10.52 billion naira. At the Nigerian Treasury bills market as well, we saw only six deals worth 171.98 million naira. There's a primary market auction yesterday, but we'll get more information about that shortly. The OMO market yesterday, we saw 5 deals worth 4 billion naira. Activity hasn't been so much on that segment of the market, but we'll see how trading goes today. Investors are paying attention to the MPC meeting today, so by 2 o'clock we'll hear what the committee's decisions are. Can we talk to Ifoma now? She's a fixed income dealer at FSDH Merchant Bank. Good morning, Ifoma. Thank you for joining us on the program.
Thank you for having me.
So please tell us about the primary market auction yesterday.
Okay. As expected, the MTB auction was oversubscribed. We rates inching up on the 364-day deal to 4.01 from 3.84% recorded at the previous auction, while the 91 and the 182-day deals dipped marginally. The CBN rolled over exactly what market, that's 59 billion. They sold 20 billion. They sold 20 billion on the 91 days, 19 billion on the 182 days, and 19.84 on the 364-day deals.
Thank you, Ifoma, for your input on the program. Well, BC, I guess investors are paying attention to the MPC's decisions today, so we'll see how that goes out by 2 o'clock.
Of course, Adidion, we're all counting down to 2 o'clock to see or to hear what decisions the MPC would be announcing to us. Thank you, Eddie.